Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to swap Solana on Metamask. So in order to do it, you first need to launch your Metamask mobile application. Now here as you can see that in Metamask there is no direct swapping option for Solana. So in this situation we need to use any other decentralized exchange in order to serve the purpose. For that you need to tap on the browser tab in the bottom and here select the decentralized exchanges option. After that scroll down and tap on Uniswap. So once you tap on Uniswap, you will be landed on the official website of Uniswap, where you need to tap on the connect button and tap on Metamask so that you could connect your Metamask wallet with Uniswap. Now once this tap is done, you just have to simply tap on this drop arrow button and here you just have to search for Solana. Now after searching for Solana, you just have to simply start the swapping process. Like you just have to select the other token that you want to swap with it and you can do it very easily. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.